Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ryan Huggins here, and in this video, we're going to talk about our new product that we just found called Profilemate. As you guys know, on my channel, we are all about learning business skills, personal development, motivation, learning how to work from home so that way you don't have to have a 9-to-5 job, leave the rat race forever, and then also be able to do what you love. What is your passion? My passion is surfing. And so my channel has a lot of surfing and outdoor stuff as well. But today, I'm going to show you a new tool that will help you in your drive and your process of becoming free from the actual slave jobs that are out there and allow you to work from home. And that is going to show you how to get emails, targeted emails from people that are in your target market from Instagram for free. Well, you have to buy the product one time, but we're going to talk about Profilemate. I hope you enjoy the video. All right, hey everybody. So what we're going to do is just jump right in here. So we're going to go to Profilemate. Now this right here, there's going to be a link in the description down below so that way you can get started with this. But Profilemate is the simplest, easiest way that I have found to get targeted prospects for your offer, whatever offer that may be. So one of the offers that I'm currently going with and that is actually doing extremely well, you may want to jump in on that as well, which is Epic Trading, where I'm learning how to trade the Forex markets. We're surfing the markets while we're surfing the waves out there. But this offer has been going really well. And our team is growing exponentially fast. And a lot of things out there, when you're selling something, you have to sell a product in order to make money, right? So, which I do that as well. I have products. I have a beauty product company that does really well. But what's great about this offer is it doesn't require you to sell anything, because you get to work the Forex markets and make money from home, from your computer, actually from your cell phone, anywhere, anytime. But I'm also an affiliate for that company, and I want to grow that company. So I need leads, which brings me to Profilemate. So I'm going to show you how I do it. It's very simple. It's literally 2 steps. So the first step, what we're going to do here is we're going to click on Find Users, and we're going to go follower following. Okay, so you can find it from hashtags. You would just have to upgrade. From locations, you can upgrade. So hashtags could be hashtag Bitcoin, hashtag Forex, hashtag whatever. Locations would be California, even more specific if you want to do Los Angeles, Orange County, whatever the case may be. But we're going to go with follower the following. And you can actually get your own account analysis by clicking this. It'll show you how your Facebook account is. Right now, I'm actually under one of my accounts here, Ask About Bitcoin. You guys feel free to go follow that one on Instagram if you would like. I do post some motivational stuff there as well. If you want to check out the link in the bio of that one, that'll take you straight to the Forex trading, where you can actually earn money from the markets and then reinvest that into cryptocurrency. But anyway, we're going to do a view any other accounts analytics. So we're going to click on this one, and then we're going to actually search an account. Now, with the Epic Trading, one of our main and most prolific prizes that you can win in this company is a black and gold Lamborghini Huracan. Literally, the company, they don't like lease it. They don't pay for your lease. They literally give you a black and gold Huracan to keep forever, and you pay nothing for it except for working so hard to hit this rank in the company. So what we're going to do is I actually follow one of my very favorite channels on YouTube is Daily Driven Exotics, and their following is all about exotic cars, supercars, hypercars, and so on. And we're talking about a specific target of Lamborghini, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Daily Driven Exotics, and we're going to click on this. Now, I've already extracted some data from here. As you can see, I extracted all the way up to 8,000, and we're going to continue from that point. So I don't want to extract people that I've already extracted. So we're going to go ahead and click Analyze the Following. And this is going to go ahead. As you can see, it's working rather quickly here. It's going to go ahead and extract another batch of 8,000 or more, because you can only do 8,000 at a time. It's going to extract another batch of 8,000 contacts here. And this will actually go through and give you the username and the profile number of all of these specific accounts, which this is going to take a few minutes. So I will go ahead, the magic of the internet, and boom. And we're back, and it's done. So what's really cool about this system as well is it will not let you burn your account. Now, if you have your own personal account and you've spent years building it, I would highly recommend creating a second account. But as you can see, like I said, this is the Ask About Bitcoin account. It has a cooling down period. In order to get your next 8,000, you have to wait 2.5 hours. And the reason why is that prevents you from going in and burning your Instagram account, where Instagram is like, hey, you know, you've done too many profile requests and so on. Because obviously getting 8,000 different followers information in literally that only took the time to I just went and made a new tea and I came back and it was done. But that's how fast it is. So obviously you don't want to burn it by going over that, right? So it's already a built-in fail-safe, which is really nice. So what we're going to do now is we're going to now analyze the users. So we got all these here. All you do is simply click download the following, okay? Now all of those 8,000 people that you just downloaded will come into the CSV report here. So we're going to click on the CSV report and it's going to open it for us. And there you go. Okay, so on here, it just gives you their profile URL, their name, and so on. And what we want is their username. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here in column A, and we're going to copy that. Okay, so now we've copied that, and we're going to go back over to Profilemate, and we're going to go over to Analyze Users. You will lose your data. It doesn't matter because my data is already complete. So I select OK, and then I go over here, and I simply paste this. Go all the way back up to the top. Grab this because there's so many, and then just go here, and boom. All right, now we're going to go ahead and hit submit, and this is going to be DDE, Daily Driven Exotics, batch 2. It's already extracted 1, and I'm going to put the date there so that way I have a memory of that. Set that. There's all kinds of different things. Now you may be using this system for something different than what I used it for. So you can get the post count, how many posts they've made. You get their phone number, their biography, business category, public email, city that they live in, follower count is the business account, engagement rate for their last 12 posts, phone, country code, following count, is it private or not, and your LinkedIn account. Okay, so that would be like the website link, that their URL that they have in there. So all I want is their phone number and their email address. So I'm going to go through and remove everything other than that because I don't need anything else. And then you hit next. And then what this is going to do is this is going to start extracting the data. So this is total users entered was 4,554. So far it's processed 28. As you can see, it goes rather quickly here. Business accounts is 4, so it'll separate these. But then what's cool is the emails found here. Okay, so as this goes through all of these different progress, 6 of 9 that keeps on growing, users processed 4 emails already. As it continues to grow and continues to process, you'll notice that the emails found will continue to grow as well. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this for right this moment. Oh, hey, by the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and also click the bell right there so that way you can remember to watch every video that comes out. You'll get a notification and you won't miss any of this awesome content. Also, make sure you smash that thumbs up button because it does help the algorithm. Now, I'm not sure if you know this or not, but when you hit the subscribe button and also the like button, it actually pushes this video out into the YouTube universe so more people can see it. So I appreciate you for that, definitely. All right, so we are back in action. And as you can see here, this is running currently. Let's go look at the Instagram account. Boom. And so we've got already, so we've gotten 2,400 users processed. We've gotten 161 new emails. And this thing is still rolling. This is exciting. I mean, it's just like pulling email after email after email out of this account. And this is so great. And so what's really great about this, we're talking about that these are targeted customers, right? Because they like Lamborghini from that actual channel. They talk about Lamborghinis and so on. With this company, they have a chance to win a Lamborghini, and that is why we are showing this system here. All right, so now we are at 98%. Pretty exciting. We got 300 new emails extracted. I wanted to show you real quick when you get started with Profilemate how simple it is, as you saw there, but there's literally 2 steps. Step number 1, install Profilemate. And what that's going to do is that's going to give you the Google Chrome extension, and you'll just simply click the extension. All right, so let me show you here. So once you're in the actual website, when you have a login, you'll be able to log in. It's going to be app.profilemate.com. And like I said, you can get the link to sign up right down below. But what you're going to get here is a very simple situation. You click install Profilemate. I've already done that, so I'm not, well, actually, I'll just show you. When you click this button, it's going to take you to right here, and you'll just simply click this blue button that'll show up on your phone or your computer, and then you'll be good to go on that. All right, so there's that. And then once that's installed, step number 2 is your Instagram account access. You'll put whatever Instagram account that you want to use there. And also, with the account that I have, I actually went in, and you can actually hit this X button and then sign into a different account. And then you can use up the amount of credits that you have. You know, like for example, this one you have to wait, which I'll show you once we're done here. Or you saw in before where you had to wait a little bit until you can go run more profiles. Well, if you sign into another profile, like this one's Ask About Bitcoin, if I logged into my other account, which is Be Cool Advertising, then I would have some extra opportunities there. Okay, so anyway, you're here, you installed the Google Chrome extension, and then you log in. After that, you go to Instagram.com and you log into Instagram. All right, so Instagram on your computer here. You can just use regular Instagram.com, as you see here. It's not like the special app or anything. And then once that's available, you'll simply click. This is the Chrome extension. You'll simply click this extension right here, and then it'll pop this up right here. And that's it. And then you'll go through the steps that we talked about. So we're 100% done. We're just waiting for this very last email here to get finished. And then after that, we're going to download the full data. It's also, you can download conditional data. Full data is everything. Conditional data is going to be what's in here. Also, there is a full training on how to use it. And also at Profilemate, there is your account information training, premium training, all of that stuff is in here for you as well. Okay, and then also we talked about earlier, the upsell is getting the hashtag option and then also location option. So we are here at 541 accounts. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to click download data CSV. So now we're going to go ahead and get this 2020 CSV here, and we're going to open this up, and here it is. Boom. So this is all of the entire list, as we talked about. It's got the email and the phone numbers. Now what you do is you just extract this here by selecting the column, copy, and we'll get this out of the way. Keep clipboard content, of course, because I just copied that info. This out of the way. And we're going to go over here, and we're going to put it into a Google. For me, you can use this depending on what your email system is. For my system, I'm using yet another mail merge, or YAM, which goes through my G Suite account. But anyway, I'm just going to post this here and paste it. It's going to take a couple of seconds. And then once this is pasted, it'll be in my spreadsheet. Now, once it's in my spreadsheet, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to organize it so it's a little bit more clear. Oh, you know what? Shoot. Command V. Hold on. I might have hit the wrong button there. All right, no big deal. So we'll pull up this again. All right, so public email, C, Command C, and over here, Command V. There you go. Now what I like to do is I'll expand this over so that with email's long enough. And then I also go here and I sort range column A to Z. All right. And then if there's any in here, I'll just go ahead and delete these. All right, and then I go through and I make sure that all of the emails are in there, okay? Because some of them will pop up like a double email or something like that, or just not a real email. Also public email here. This one doesn't have to be there. All right. So like this one right here, okay? So this one has 2. So what we'll do is we'll click on it and then we'll delete. So now there's only 1. All right. So that way it can send properly. And there you go. So we got 308 total emails in there. And there you go. So now you have targeted leads. Now you may be selling a different product. Maybe you are maybe you sell some sort of widget that has to, what if you sell soccer items, right? You want to sell a soccer ball, soccer cleats, cones for soccer setup, a training course for learning how to play soccer, whatever the case may be, coaching for soccer. You can go and you can find your favorite soccer players and you can extract their followers, okay? And that's it. So that is Profilemate. Very, very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to use the link down below. That way I get credit. This is an affiliate program. By you clicking on that, that helps support the channel, which would be phenomenal. And again, this is Win with Ryan. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day, night, or whatever's going on for you in your life right now. Peace out.